Good evening. It really is good evening. It's about 3 a.m. on the 18th of October, and I just had to capture uh, these images. These are the images of rain. I can't believe it. We've got ourselves a light rain in Los Angeles, California. Holy cow, look at all this rain. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes have gone to bed. Crying's not for me. Oh, I'll never stop the rain from falling because it's me. Nothing's stopping me. Wow. Now it's already stopped. See how it goes? Just doesn't last long, does it? It's Monday morning, the start of a fresh week. I hope everybody's prepared for it. I don't know if I totally am prepared for it. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. We are family. Won't you pay the rent for me? If you leave me now, you'll make me very happy. And that's it. That was it. 2 minutes in and it's already stopped raining. That's LA rain for you. All right, I'm going to have to cut this off. I hope I don't get in trouble with a YouTube by singing some very popular songs. And they ban me from the platform. I just watched Muhammad Ali and Ken Norton fight number 3 in Yankee Stadium, 1976. And it looked like Ken Norton might have won the fight, but the decision was given to Ali. It went 15 rounds. Wow. I got a nice light on this thing here. You can take videos at night. Look at that. Wow. You won't be long till happiness. Banana, banana, dee 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 dee. Rain's not for me. Raindrops keep falling on my head. They keep falling until I'm free. Nothing's bothering me. I hope you all enjoyed Sunset Plaza last night. I guess the next video in that series will be the Rock and Roll District, the Viper Room, the Whiskey A Go Go, on the Rocks, the Roxy, and the Rainbow, and some other classic clubs in that jurisdiction of town. I guess I'm in a pretty nutty mood tonight, so I don't know if this will translate. The Dodgers were unsuccessful in their attempt to even up the score against the Atlanta Braves. Did you see that? Atlanta Braves player, he hit a home run, and he was wearing pearls. So this is a new time now. Everybody's crossing over and mixing and matching different jewelry and clothing, and everything is fair game. Boop, 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 boop. Boo, boo, boo. I hope everybody's at least taking the time to go on YouTube and look up that gentleman, Crime Pays, but Botany doesn't. I haven't seen him in a while, but he's a riot, that guy. Just a riot. He's got a wicked sense of humor. Oh, I think I can hear the rain is going to start to increase now. Come on, give it a good rain. Let my viewers see some rain in Los Angeles. See, I have the paddles on top of the tin house just in case it continues to rain, doesn't stop. And I'll have to make some kind of floating device or raft, and I'll use those paddles to paddle my way to safety, perhaps a school or a gymnasium that's housing the Red Cross. And they have sandwiches and they have soft drinks and a warm place to sleep overnight. And you can meet some friends and neighbors. You might even strike up a conversation with somebody that it goes beyond that. I remember when I was living up north, we had an earthquake, and they had wonderful food. I was hoping it was going to be another earthquake just so I wouldn't have to prepare my own food or purchase it. Because you know, when the Red Cross comes to town, it's all free. And nothing's bothering me. Ba-boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. So the Dodgers are down 2-0. And they really need to get going if they're going to go. All right, I better cut this video off. It doesn't look like we're going to get any more rain. Can you see it? See the clouds? Can you see the clouds a little bit?